Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how you can connect a Rode Videomicro microphone to your mobile phone. If you're new to my channel, I am your host Nathan Phillip and you are watching Nicks and Needs. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please consider subscribing and enable the bell icon. So as soon as we upload a new video, you get instant notification and you won't miss out any of our videos. As you know, microphone is really a good tool for video shooting. And in today's world, you don't really need a DSLR camera to shoot outstanding videos. These days mobile phones are doing a great job. They have got outstanding cameras and you can shoot fantastic visuals with your mobile phone. So sound quality is always a concern when you shoot with mobile phone. This mic is such a good tool, but unfortunately it is not going to work with your mobile phone. So you need a special adapter cable that should work with your mobile phone. So you can see here two cables. This cable comes along with your microphone, and this is the adapter I bought for my mobile phone. I actually bought it from Amazon and it will cost you around $22 approximately. So this is called a TRRS to TRRS cable. So this will actually help the microphone to connect to your phone and work perfectly. So how do you figure out, or how do you find out if this is the right cable? Now for TRS, you can see there are three rings here, 1, 2, 3. You see there are three black rings, and for the other one there are two rings only. So these two rings will work with DSLR cameras and other professional cameras, but it won't work with your mobile phone. So if you want this mic to work with your mobile phone, you should have a cable like this. So this will enable the sound transmission properly. Now I'm going to connect this adapter to my iPhone XS. Apple has taken off these sort of jacks from their phones, so I am using an external adapter here, and I'm mounting this to that adapter. And once that is done, you can plug in the normal cable here and then attach it to your mic. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to record through this mic and then we will see how it works. See, now I'm recording through my mobile phone and the sound is captured by this Videomicro microphone. When you hear the sound, you can probably figure out how good this mic is. And if you're a vlogger and if you want to shoot videos through a mobile phone, still you can use this phone with the help of this adapter. And this will do still an outstanding job. So this is how it is done, and if you got any questions or any doubts regarding how to set up a mic with your mobile phone, you can always leave a question on the comment box and I'll try to answer the questions with best of my knowledge. I hope this video must have clarified few of your doubts, at least for some of you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and write a comment in the comment box and subscribe my channel. And if you know that if any of your friends are struggling with a mic issue, share this video to them so that they will also get informed how to use this microphone with their mobile phones. I'll see you next week with another interesting video. Till then, you guys stay safe. See ya.